Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Here are the top 5 crypto mining stocks listed in America. Number 5, TeraWulf. They have 50,000 rigs deployed. Ticker is WULF. Market cap 800 million. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Number 4, Hut 8. They have over 10,000 rigs deployed. Ticker HUT. Market cap 845 million. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Number 3, Cypher. They have 65,000 rigs deployed. Ticker CIFR. Market cap 1.1 billion. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2, Marathon Digital. They have 149,900 rigs deployed. Ticker MARA. Market cap 3 billion. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0. Number 1, Riot Platforms. They have 95,900 rigs deployed. Ticker RIOT. Market cap 3.3 billion. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 0.